Smart doorbells, a door to modern convenience. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in the realm of modern technology, smart doorbells. These devices are changing how we manage home security and convenience. If you're curious about what smart doorbells are and how they work, you're in the right place. A smart doorbell is a wireless device that alerts homeowners when someone visits their doorstep. Unlike traditional doorbells, smart doorbells are equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, cameras, and motion sensors. This means they can send alerts to your smartphone or other devices, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors, even when you're not at home. Smart doorbells come with various features that enhance home security and convenience. The most notable are: video camera, captures clear images or video of your doorstep. Motion detection, alerts you when someone is at your door, even if they don't ring the bell. Two-way audio, lets you talk to the visitor through your phone. Remote access, control and access your doorbell from anywhere using your smartphone. Using a smart doorbell offers several advantages. Enhanced security, keep an eye on your doorstep and deter potential intruders. Convenience, answer your door from anywhere. Package safety, monitor deliveries and prevent package theft. Visitor recording, record visitors for later review if needed. Installing a smart doorbell is usually straightforward. Most models are battery-powered or can be connected to existing doorbell wiring. The setup involves 1. Mounting the doorbell near your door. 2. Connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. 3. Installing the associated app on your smartphone or tablet. Smart doorbells are a fantastic addition to modern homes, offering convenience, security, and peace of mind. Whether you're at home or away, these innovative devices keep you connected to your front door. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding smart doorbells. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.